Bhagat Singh Koshyari, who is also the governor of Maharashtra, was sworn in as the governor of Goa at Raj Bhavan on 19th August 2020. Chief Justice of Bombay High Court, Shri Dipankar Datta, administered him the oath of office. The governor took the oath in Konkani.
भगत सिंग कोश्यारी देवाचे साक्षीन सोपूत घेताम की हांव गोंय राज्याच्यो राज्यपाल म्हणजे पदकार्य निष्ठेन निभायतलो आणि म्हज्या सामर्थ्याची पराकाष्ठा करून संविधान आणि कायदो हाचे जतन संरक्षण आणि बचाव करतलो आणि हांव स्वतः गोंयचे जनतेचे सेवक आणि कल्याणा खातीर ओपून घेतलो.
Earlier, Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant gave a warm welcome to Shri Bhagat Singh Koshyari at Goa Dabolim Airport. CM Dr. Pramod Sawant took to social media and said, "Give a warm welcome to Shri Bhagat Singh Koshyari ji, Governor Designate, on his arrival at Dabolim Airport." CM Dr. Pramod Sawant congratulated Honorable Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari and wished him a fruitful tenure. Here's what CM posted. Honorable Governor of Goa Shri Bhagat Singh Koshyari ji takes the oath in Konkani. I am truly humbled by his kind gesture. I congratulate and wish him a fruitful tenure.
भगत सिंग कोश्यारी देवाचे साक्षीन सोपूत घेताम की हांव गोंय राज्याच्यो राज्यपाल म्हणजे पदकार्य निष्ठेन निभायतलो आणि म्हज्या सामर्थ्याची पराकाष्ठा करून संविधान आणि कायदो हाचे जतन संरक्षण आणि बचाव करतलो आणि हांव स्वतः गोंयचे जनतेचे सेवक आणि कल्याणा खातीर ओपून घेतलो.
Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.